Welcome to my urban sanctuary. Have you ever felt like you just needed to get away from the noise of a crowded city? For me, this garden is much more than a hobby. It's a necessary escape from the daily grind. Even though the streets outside are constantly buzzing with activity, this small space stays remarkably quiet. Can you hear the distant sound of traffic beyond the walls? I definitely can, but it seems to fade out the moment I step inside. The atmosphere this morning is really refreshing. The sun is shining, and there's a light breeze moving through the trees. I've been looking after these roses and sunflowers for a few years now, and I have to say, they look more vibrant this season than ever before. Oh, look! There's a robin perched on the fence. Can you hear him? His song is much more complex than you'd expect. It sounds almost like a piece of music. Don't be startled by that movement in the bushes. You might think it's a wild animal hiding in the shadows. But I promise it's nothing dangerous. It's just my cat, Sunny. She's an orange and white tabby who has spent most of her life napping in this exact spot. Since she's getting quite old, she prefers soaking up the sun to chasing birds. She looks incredibly relaxed, doesn't she? In my opinion, modern life can feel pretty overwhelming at times. I truly believe that finding a balance is essential for our mental health. This garden isn't just a way to pass the time. It's a sanctuary where I can disconnect from my phone and recharge my batteries. It can be so refreshing just sitting here with a good book or listening to my favorite music. I often even have my morning coffee here. What about you? How do you deal with the pressure of a busy schedule? Is there a specific place that helps you feel at peace? What do you do to recharge or to escape the daily grind? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. Let me know.